Have you ever wondered why so many students struggle with the CDCS exam? Trust me, it's not just you. This test is tough, and for good reason. The CDCS dives deep into the world of documentary credits and international trade finance. If you don't have a rock-solid grasp of those rules like UCP 600 and ISP 98, it can feel like you're reading another language. But here's the thing, most people don't fail because they're not smart enough. They trip up on a few common pitfalls. For starters, time management. The exam's strict time limit means you need to strategize or risk running out of steam before hitting those tricky case studies. Then there's the infamous misread question trap. One little word like not must can flip the whole answer. If you're rushing, it's easy to overlook, and the exam writers know it. Plus, let's be honest, if your real-life experience with documentary credits is limited, those theoretical questions can feel impossible. So what's the solution? Expert-led CDCS training. These programs break down the complex rules, give you proven strategies, and walk you through practice questions that mirror the real deal. You'll learn to spot those sneaky keywords, manage your time, and finally figure out the difference between UCP 600 ISBP and ISP 98. And here's my favorite part. With practice exams and personal feedback, you'll know exactly where you stand long before test day. That means less guesswork, fewer costly retakes, and way more confidence when you sit down for the real thing. So if you want to boost your chances of passing the CDCS on your first try, don't go it alone. Invest in professional training, focus your efforts, and watch your exam anxiety disappear. Good luck.